everybody, welcome back to Dashi Time. Today I wanted to try something different, so I'm gonna show you my mom's version, vegetarian lamb varuval. Okay, the ingredients are cinnamon, star anise, cloves, cardamom, cumin, pandan leaf, lemongrass, and ginger plus garlic paste, tomatoes, curry leaf and dried chili, and coriander, onions, potatoes, my favorite, some garam masala, chili powder, and salt. Okay, let's start our cooking.
Main ingredient you forgot.
Our main ingredient is vegetarian lamb. Our first thing is to heat up the pan. Let it heat up for a while. First step, we pour some oil into the pan. Once the oil is hot enough, we will fry the vegetarian lamb. You don't have to wait until it's fully cooked. When it's half cooked, you can take it out. Did you know this lamb is made out of mushroom stem? Now our next step is now we're done frying the lamb, now we're gonna fry the potatoes. For potatoes, you also don't have to fully cook. When it's half cooked, it should be enough. We still can use the same oil, but we're gonna take out half of it. Now we're gonna start cooking. Now we're gonna put all the spices in.
Including bay leaf. Hey, you forgot to tell about bay leaf.
Yeah, true.
One bay leaf.
Oh yeah, well, there's one bay leaf. Sorry for that. The oil splashed on my hand, so pretend none of that happened.
Okay, now.
So now we're gonna put our dried chili and curry leaf in. Warning, it can splash a lot. Now put some onions.
Medium onion.
Medium. Now put some tomatoes in.
Like one medium tomato.
Yeah, one medium tomato.
Let it cook for a while.
Now let it cook for a while. Okay, now we can add the fried potatoes. Potatoes are my favorite. Okay, now you have to wait until the onion get caramelized.
Or turn brown.
Turn brown. Or turn brown, yeah. Now, as you can see, the onions are now caramelized. So it's time to go to our next step. It's time to put the garlic and ginger paste in. Now put some chili powder in according to your taste bud. We all love to eat spicy, so put 2 teaspoons.
Maybe 3.
3, yeah, 3. and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Make sure to mix it well.
Then put some water.
Okay, now put some water. It's boiling now, so we should add 1 teaspoon of salt.
According to your taste.
Yeah, and also according to your taste bud.
Mix well.
Yeah, mix well. Okay, let all the potatoes cook first. You can put some ghee if you want, but we won't because my mom and dad is on diet and they don't want to put it. Now we'll add in the main ingredient, vegetarian mutton or lamb.
Yeah.
Okay, just now we cooked it. We half cooked it, so let it fully cook. So will absorb all the flavors. Now our vegetarian lamb varuval is ready. So we gotta add the last ingredient, coriander leaf.
It's done.
It's done. Let's taste it. So now I'm gonna taste the food. I'm gonna eat my favorite potato. Yummy! Now it's ready to serve. Okay, so this is my first cooking video, so it'll be a bit messy, so I'm sorry for the mess. But if you did like my video, remember to put a thumbs up. If you disliked it, I'm okay if you put a thumbs up. But remember to smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for daily videos. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm still holding the phone.